Hello boys and girls, welcome to a video brought to you by Hana Plumbing. Today I want to show you how to remove plumber's mate from sink wastes because it's something you might need to do, and it's quite difficult because plumber's mate is waterproof and it also sticks a lot. Plumber's mate is commonly used on sink wastes to create watertight seal between the sink and the waste itself. Sometimes, however, you might need to reuse the waste, so it's good to know how to remove the plumber's mate in case you need to do that. So first of all, I'll show you how to remove the plumber's mate from the sink itself. What you'll need is a bit of elbow grease, a bit of effort, and some tools that I'm going to show you in a second. So using your Stanley knife, you want to remove as much of the plumber's mate as you can, the bulk of it, mechanically. So you take your Stanley and scrape it off, clean it off. What you can also do is take the blade out of your Stanley and use it as a scraper because it's flat. So you're scraping. Okay, roll it up. That's it. And now the majority of it is off. You want to find an old t-shirt at the back of your wardrobe that you never use. Keep it dry and rub the remaining of the plumber's mate off the ceramics. It'll take you a little while, so keep rubbing and keep cleaning until all of it is removed and it's nice and shiny. So now comes the fun part, where we try to remove the plumber's mate from the threads of the waste. You will need a lot of patience for this, and I mean a lot of patience, because it takes a bit of effort, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we'll need is a cloth, toothbrush, and a neat washing up liquid. And keep scrubbing and keep scrubbing. So now we need to rinse it off in some clean fresh water. So this is how you rescue your sink waste of plumber's mate. I hope you found the video today useful, and thank you for watching.